Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a new feature which is launched by Pollo AI, which is e-commerce for your products. So let's look what we are actually going to do. This is what I have created with the help of the presets they have provided in e-commerce. Basically, they call it a commerce studio, but I call it for e-commerce because you are doing this for e-commerce promotions of your products. So let me just play it for you guys. You can see this is looking really beautiful. Let me show you some another examples as well. So you can see this is another fictional product that has been created, and you can see this is how liquid simulation is working beautifully. And I haven't written any prompt here. It's all doing it by just uploading a product. Let me just show you one more example. This is my favorite as well. Just check this out. So this is also looking really nice. Let me show you one more as well. Here it is one more. So let me just play it for you guys. You can see this is also looking beautiful. So let me just show you now how you can actually create this. Before also I have created a video on Pollo AI on the side which was a marketing studio. Now let's just look at commerce studio. So just once you log in with your Pollo AI account and your plan that you want to get, I would recommend getting a pro plan if you are working in the e-commerce industry for designs and what we say videos of the product. This is a really good platform for it, and you can charge some really amazing rates from your clients as well. You just go to Commerce Studio here. Once you click on it, you will find three categories here. One is product showcase video, one is AI product shots, and third one is virtual try on photo. So if you are having a t-shirt or shirt or dress, some kind of like that, you can just click on virtual try on photo, and you can just select what you want a photo like to be. So you can see we have this orchid portrait, fisheye, tennis court, retro disposable. So if I click on retro disposable, I just need to upload my product and the avatar. You can choose from the avatar that they have given. Again, we have talked about this as well, so you can work with that as well. But what I am really interested about is product showcase video and AI product shot. So let's say you have a product here, but you want to create some amazing product shots, maybe something like this what we see here. So you can definitely do it. So let's just try to create something like this here. So you can see we have this this product in the what we say ice. So you can work on that as well, or you can directly upload your product and start working on the video as well. So here you will find a AI product showcase video, and you can see we have this presets as well. So you can use this preset. So let's say if you want to use a octopus grip, you can use that as well. If you want to use the desert clay, I use this mist stone here, and you also get some more presets as well. So let me just show you. Just go to product video, and you will find it here, the category. So let's say if you are having a product of a lamp or a table, you can use it to promote it as well. So let's just create something like this, a table. Just click on the product that you want to try. You can see I have used this to create this product here. This one here, you have seen this one as well, and this one as well. So this was all created with the help of this. You can also create what we say a turntable of a product as well. You can see here it is working here also. So if I click here, you can see it's using the twilight photo here, twilight video here. So let me just show you. You can see here this is the twilight. So it basically rotates 360 degrees. You can see here, and this is how it looks. So you can work with this as well. You have seen this crystal freeze also you can use. So let's just use one more here. Maybe let's just use a crystal freeze. So you can see here it is. And now what I can do, I can just choose a product. So you can see this is the product here, but let's just have another product. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to maybe freeze this type of product into that. So let's just use that. So let's just use this daily gummies. I am going to click here. I'm going to right click and copy the image. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually prompt here. I'm going to chat GPT here. I'm just going to paste the product here. So you can use your own product as well, but I'm going to show you how you can exactly create the, what we say, the reference image. From the reference image a fictional product. So here I have written a prompt, give me detailed nano banana to prompt to create image like reference image, but not exactly as it is. Create fictional brand, product and design. Change, be inspired, not copy. So you don't need to copy this, and then you will get a nano banana 2 prompt here. We have a Solara luxury vitamin gummy supplement. You can see the design and all that stuff. So what we can do, we can just copy it here. Let's just press Ctrl C. Again, I'm going to use nano banana 2 here. So let's just go here and to Pollo AI. I'm going to go to Creative Studio and let's just click on text to image here. And now we are here. We are just going to paste it here. You can see it's basically more than this. So let's just change this from Pollo AI to Nano Banana. And we are going to use Nano Banana 2 and the limitation is now gone. If you are on a upgraded plan, you can definitely use it for unlimited use, but I am not. So let's just go to 3:4 and let's just do 2K here. And I'm going to have one image only. And let's just click on generate here, and now we are going to get a image which is going to be our product. So it's really easy, guys. First you select the preset that you want. So what we were going for was this preset here, and then you need to upload your product. So you can upload image as well. So let's say if you click on upload, you can directly double click on your product as well and just click on generate. That's it. So it's that easy, guys. You don't need to have any prompt or something like that. You just need to do this and click on generate. So now just imagine what else you can do in the e-commerce industry rather than boring, what we say, images in the white background or with just a gradient. You can actually provide clients with this videos and images as well. So let's just close this here, and I'm going to wait for my image which is now created. You can see this is how actually it is looking, and this is looking really good. So what we can do, we can now go to our e-commerce and upload. Rather than choosing the upload, we are going to choose from assets here. Let's just click on this gummies here. I'm going to go for 10 seconds clip. So let's just do a 10-second. You can go up to 4K because I think this is using Kling, because Kling is the only model right now which supports up to pure 4K. So you can do that as well. If you are going for a 4K resolution, you can see it's only going to generate and take 240 credits, but I'm going to go for standard here. You can have up to 4 options as well, but I'm going for 10 seconds and only one option. And let's just click on generate here. And right now it's only going to use 80 credits, but let's say if you are having one client who wants like 3 to 4 videos of its products, you can definitely do it. I will be back once this is done, but before doing that I want to show you some more stuff as well what you can actually do. So let's say if you want to create a image out of it or you want to promote this product, you can definitely do it by marketing ads. I have already shown you how you can do it. So let's say you want someone to promote these gummies, you can do that as well. So let's just do that as well. So you are going to know actually how you can do it. You can see we have this product, we can replace the product and we can write the script according to this. I have already shown you how you can do that as well. Okay, so you can do that as well. If you want to learn that, check out my last video on Pollo AI. You will learn how you can actually do this. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to again go to Commerce Studio, and now you can also create product shots. So let's say you want your gummies to be seen, but you want it to be maybe in the style of this, something like this. You can just click on this and just upload your product and just click on generate and your product will be generated. So let's just do something like this. I'm liking this result actually a lot. Let's just see what else we have. Yeah, this is nice actually. And I'm going to choose my product, choose from assets, and let's just click on this. And I'm going to go for 1K. Yeah, 1K is more than enough. I think let's just go for 2K. And you can see it's only going to use 4 credits, which is a nice thing. And let's just do one only. And let's just click on generate. So you are going to see how it actually works with this as well. This is almost completed. I will be back once this both are done. So the video and the image is both are generated. So let me just show you the image first. You can see this is looking actually nice here. And let me just play the video for you as well. So you can see this is how the video is looking, and you can see it's looking really good. You can see says, and I can actually feel that it's okay. This is looking amazing. And you can see the liquid is also moving inside the gummies. The gout is day one every day. So it was based on that concept which we have written with the chat GPT as well. So this is how we can easily create some really good Commerce Studio videos with the help of Commerce Studio Creative Suite. And if you want to market it the products, you can just use the Marketing Studio. Again, if you want to watch that video, do watch that after this video, and you will get the idea what actually you can do it with the marketing app as well. For marketing, you can market your product app, or you can create the tvc as well. You can create the money shots as well. You can do lots of stuff here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please press that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn more in the AI, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys, take care.